everybody, and welcome to the Animal National Miss American Princess competition. We are going to be starting our crowning session now. First runner-up is Lemme Berry. Oh, thank you. So now let's put her in her stash. First runner-up will get a stash that says first runner-up. So, Lemme, you can go stand over there because the winner gets to sit on the blue. Okay? Now, sorry, there's Lemme. Now, the National American Dog winner, animal winner is Roxie mcdebbie. Come up here, Roxie, and claim your royalty. There she is, sitting in her thing. She is actually wearing a dress to the Nationals. So, we are going to be crowning her now. Let's put her in her, oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Let's put her in her crown because she won. Oh yes, I can't believe she won. Now let's give her her, where's the flowers? Sorry, but, for the delay, but, where did the flowers go? Hold on a second. Oh, they're right here. Silly me. Here are her very special flowers she deserves because she won. Now let's replace her crown because she is now National American Animal, technically NAA winner. So she needs her flowers and her crown. Everyone, say hello to your new National American Animal winner. She is Roxie mcdebbie. Now we're going to go fourth and third runner-up. And fourth runner-up, we have Chloe the cat. Come up here, Chloe. You came fourth runner-up. Good job. Now, second runner-up, we have Bella Bulldog. Oh, yay! Now, second runner-up, we have Gidget Pomeranian. Hi. Now, say hello to our winners of the National American Animal, winners. See you next time. And I'm your host, Mackenzie Klein. Goodbye, ladies and gentlemen. And say hello to your new Roxie mcdebbie winner. Goodbye.